Welcome back my channel DJ Motor Trends. Today 2025 Honda NC750X DCT is an adventure touring motorcycle that continues to build on Honda's reputation for practicality, efficiency, and rider-friendly technology. With its unique combination of a parallel twin-engine, dual-clutch transmission DCT, and adventure-inspired styling, this bike remains a top choice for commuters and weekend adventurers alike. At the heart of the NC750X DCT is its 745cc liquid-cooled parallel twin-engine. Designed for strong low-end torque and fuel efficiency, this engine delivers smooth and predictable power, making it perfect for city riding and highway cruising. With refined throttle response and a broad power band, it provides effortless acceleration without feeling overwhelming. The engine's unicam design keeps weight low while optimizing performance. Honda's signature PGM-5 fuel injection ensures crisp throttle response and excellent fuel economy, allowing riders to cover long distances without frequent refueling stops. One of the standout features of the NC750X is its dual-clutch transmission DCT, an automatic gearbox that eliminates the need for a traditional clutch lever. Riders can choose between fully automatic modes or manual gear selection via handlebar-mounted paddle shifters. The DCT enhances convenience, particularly in traffic, where constant clutch operation can be tiring. With refined programming for 2025, gear changes are even smoother, making the riding experience more intuitive. Whether cruising on highways or navigating twisty backroads, the transmission adapts seamlessly to different riding conditions. The chassis is designed to provide stability and comfort, with a diamond steel frame that ensures durability while keeping weight manageable. A low center of gravity contributes to easy handling, making the NC750X DCT accessible for riders of all experience levels. The suspension setup features a Showa telescopic fork at the front and a Pro-Link rear shock, offering a balance of comfort and control. These components allow the bike to handle uneven roads and light off-road trails confidently. Braking performance is handled by a single front disc with a radial-mounted caliper and a rear disc brake, both equipped with ABS. This ensures strong and predictable stopping power in various conditions, enhancing safety. The 2025 model continues to feature Honda's Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), which provides adjustable traction control to prevent wheel slip, especially on wet or loose surfaces. Riders can toggle between different levels of intervention or disable it entirely, depending on their preference. Comfort is another key aspect of the NC750X DCT. The seat height remains a manageable 31.6 inches, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. A relaxed riding position, combined with an upright handlebar, offers a comfortable stance for long-distance touring. The windscreen provides adequate wind protection, reducing fatigue on extended rides. Honda has also improved seat cushioning for better comfort over long journeys. A signature feature of the NC750X is its integrated storage compartment, located where a traditional fuel tank would be. This lockable space can hold a full-face helmet or other essentials, making it an excellent choice for commuters and travelers. The fuel tank is positioned under the seat, contributing to the bike's low center of gravity and improving balance. The 2025 model comes with a full-color TFT display that provides clear and easy-to-read information, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and riding modes. Honda has also integrated smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to pair their devices for notifications and navigation prompts. LED lighting is standard, enhancing visibility and modernizing the bike's appearance. With a fuel-efficient engine, practical features, and a refined DCT system, the Honda NC750X remains a versatile choice for riders seeking a balance of performance, comfort, and convenience. Whether used for daily commuting, weekend touring, or light adventure riding, it delivers an engaging yet stress-free experience. Honda continues to refine this model, ensuring it remains one of the most practical and enjoyable adventure touring motorcycles on the market.